Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change font style in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on personalizations and click on font and display size and click on more button here. Click on free. Here all free fonts are available. Just select any one. Here I would like to select this one and click on apply. It will be instantly applied. Just wait few seconds. Yes, it is applied. Now go to the home screen and see the changes. Font style has been changed. Again go to the settings and click on personalizations and click on font and display size and click on more. Here also you can buy some of the font style and download from internet, but you have to pay some money for buying it. If it has free trial, you can use it. Some of the fonts will have free trial. This has free trial, so I click it and it will download and click on apply. Yes, it is applied. One download task complete and click on free trial here. Now it is applied. See the changes. Yes, it has been changed. Again I go to the same settings and click on font and display size, and to bring back to default to font style, click here and click on apply. Yes, now default font style has been applied to your phone. In this way you can easily change and customize font style in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.